hammani qiynab keladigan narsa Gentra yoki Cobalt, qaysi biri chaqqon va qaysi biri tez. Stage 2 urilgan Gentraga qarshi zavod programmada Cobalt. Qani videoni oxirigacha ko'ramiz.
BLS from the west, I've Los Angeles, trying to find my way back with the map was made of cannabis. Better hurry up and find another way to handle this. Burned every tree, now there's none to hang around with. I'm trying to patch up all my damages, stagger through the madness, throwing hatchets at the manuscripts of every maggot on the planet, trying to rap and spit. I cop your album, but I'd rather read a bag of shit. Smoke a slip that's been dipped into madness, and take a step on your neck and get a cracking bitch. It's BLS, friend the blessed, but he's hazardous. As tobacco is the mammals, he's standing in a buffalo flannel and Amsterdamalis. Couldn't find a
O'sha kattalar aytganday bir gap. Cobaltga faqat raketa raqobat bo'lishi mumkin. Tushungan tushundi.